Welcome back to the Unsealed Identities channel. In the previous video, we looked at some strong geographical candidates that are found in the country of Eritrea. In this video, we're going to continue exploring and show some additional locations that have strong phonetic connections to the Bible. We're going to look at Lo-Debar, Jair, Shilo, Serah, and Gaash. In Samuel 9:5 we read, "Then King David sent and brought him from the house of Machir, the son of Ammiel, at Lo-Debar." Here is Debar, Eritrea. According to Bible Hub, its phonetic sound is Debar. Let's continue on to Jair. Joshua 13:30 states, "Their region extended from Mahanaim through all Bashan, the whole kingdom of Og, king of Bashan, and all the towns of Jair, which are in Bashan, 60 cities." The phonetic sound is Yair. Remember that J is really a Y. Here is Yare, Eritrea. One interesting name found on an 1832 map of Nubia and Abyssinia is Shilos. The name appears close to the northern Red Sea area of Eritrea and is no longer shown on modern maps. It may have referred to a local tribe, clan, or territories that was known to travelers at the time. Joshua 18:10 reads, "And Joshua cast lots for them in Shilo before the Lord, and there Joshua divided the land unto the children of Israel according to their divisions." Today there's a place called Shiloh, which is located in the Bad Meat Plain. It is also called Shilo on some older maps. Here's where it is on the map. It is interesting that this name does not appear in Google Maps. Our next location on this journey is Serah. Joshua 24:30 reads as follows, "And they buried him in his own inheritance at Timnath-serah, which is in the hill country of Ephraim, north of the mountain of Gaash." Here is Serah in Eritrea. And here is the icing on the cake. Gaash is mentioned 4 times in the Bible and 32 times in the book of Jasher. In chapter 37, it states, "4. And all those kings of the Canaanites and Amorites that surrounded the city of Shechem heard that the sons of Jacob had again come to Shechem and dwelt there. 5. And they said, Shall the sons of Jacob the Hebrew again come to the city and dwell therein, after that they have smitten its inhabitants and driven them out? Shall they now return and also drive out those who are dwelling in the city, or slay them?" 6. And all the kings of Canaan again assembled, and they came together to make war with Jacob and his sons. 7. And Jashub, king of Tapnach, sent also to all his neighboring kings, to Elan, king of Gaash, and to Ehuri, king of Shilo, and to Parathon, king of Chazar, and to Susi, king of Sarton, and to Laban, king of Beth Coron, and to Shabir, king of Othnaimah, saying, 8. Come up to me and assist me, and let us smite Jacob the Hebrew and his sons, and all belonging to him, for they are again come to Shechem to possess it and to slay its inhabitants as before. Here is the Gaash-Barca region of Eritrea. The Gaash-Barca region is the largest region in the country of Eritrea. It is located in the western part of the country and shares borders with Sudan and Ethiopia. The region is known for its wide plains, rivers, and rich farmland. The capital city of Gaash-Barca is Barentu. Many different ethnic groups live in the region, including the Tigray, Kunama, Nara, and Tigrinya peoples. Because of this diversity, several languages are spoken throughout the area. The region gets its name from 2 seasonal rivers, the Gaash River and the Barca River. The Gaash River is also the same river as the Mereb River. However, it is called the Mereb in its upper course and the Gaash as it flows further downstream. The Barca River is also known as the Baraka River. These rivers help support farming and livestock. Gaash-Barca is often called the breadbasket of Eritrea because much of the country's food is grown there. Farmers raise crops such as sorghum, millet, corn, and vegetables. Many people also raise cattle, goats, sheep, and camels. Gaash-Barca is rich in history. Archaeologists have found evidence of ancient settlements and trade routes in the region. For thousands of years, people traveled through this area while moving between the highlands of Eritrea, the Nile Valley, and the Red Sea coast. The region is also home to important wildlife. Visitors may find antelope, elephants, gazelles, baboons, and many species of birds. The landscape changes from fertile river valleys to dry grasslands and low hills. Today, Gaash remains an important agricultural and cultural center for Eritrea. Its rivers, farmland, and diverse communities make it one of the country's most important regions. Understanding Gaash helps us better appreciate the history, people, and natural beauty of Eritrea. The evidence continues to grow, one name at a time, from Lo-Debar to Jair, from Shilo to Serah, and finally to Gaash. The landscape of Eritrea presents a series of remarkable connections that challenge conventional assumptions about biblical geography. Whether these are coincidences or clues left behind by history, the questions remain. The search is far from over. Join us in the next episode as we continue uncovering identities, locations, and histories that may have been hidden in plain sight for centuries. Until then, keep seeking, keep questioning, and keep unsealing the truth. See you next time.